Top 10 Best Baofeng Radio 2021. Baofeng Tech is one of the best and renowned Chinese tech companies out there. They are not only known for their radios but also for the amount of research and work that go into each of these devices. Their design are not only for amateur use but also for commercial use like schools, hospitals, or municipalities. They also follow all the legal rules. For example, the radios can communicate on narrow band as required by the FCC. Therefore, Baofeng is adventurous as well as reliable. For this list, we have not only looked at the features but also at their tested merit. Some of them make it to our list for their variety of features while others due to their reliability. So let's get started. Number 1. Baofeng UV82HP Camo High Power Dual Band Radio. The UV82HP is the second generation of the classic UV82 series. Some of the new features found on the UV82HP are the 3 selectable power levels allowing for the high output of up to 8 watts. The dual push-to-talk switch can be synchronized via software to simplify operation of the radio. You can program your UV82HP exactly how you want it. You can add or remove channels from scanning list using the free computer software. You can give channels alphanumeric names using a computer. The radio has 3 power levels, allowing you to choose how far you can communicate. Number 2. Baofeng BF-F8HP UV5R 3rd generation 8-watt dual band 2-way radio. High power at an affordable price. Feel free to take your radio with you anywhere you go. No other radio can compare against our compatibilities, affordability, and concierge service. The BF-F8HP is the 3rd and final generation of the UV5R. Some new features found in the BF-F8HP are the 3 selected power levels, and BF-F8HP has a better high gain antenna 7 inches that was not available in the earlier models. The BF-F8 also brings back the customizable tricolor display and was not found in 2nd generation UV5RS. Number 3. Baofeng UV5R Dual Band 2-way Radio. The 2nd generation device is one of the most ergonomic yet compact method, known for its channel capacity. You can directly program it with the keypad or use an optional cable to process it using a laptop or a computer. It has a multi-band FM transceiver. The frequency coverage of the transceiver is massive. With a dual band UHF, VHF, it has a capacity of 128 channels. This one has a Baofeng frequency range from 65 to 108 MHz FM radios, 136 to 175 MHz VHF, and 400 to 250 MHz UHF. That's why radio transmission covers more comprehensively. Number 4. Baofeng BF-888S 2-way radio. The BF-888S Baofeng walkie-talkie radio is one of our favorite because of its simplicity. It is effortless to use, even you can give it to the kids when they are playing outside and call them back in with the device. It comes with 1500 mAh Li-ion battery, which you can replace with a more powerful battery if you wish. The radio receives UHF waves between range 400 to 470 MHz. That means no FM and VHF signals. It has a total of 16 channels. To speak to someone, you need to be on the same channel. Output power of the radio is 2.5 watts, not as powerful as other Baofeng radios but still good enough for communication. Number 5. Baofeng UV82 VHF UHF FM transceiver dual band 2-way radio. Baofeng is rebranding name of Baofeng. The Baofeng UV82 has one built-in receiver but can watch 2 channels. However, this is not a radio you should purchase if you are looking for FRS or VHF radio. If you are looking for both and tons of flexibility, this is the device for you. A by B band independent operation, 128 groups channel storage, shortcut menu operation mode. VFO and memory channel scan emergency alarm tricolor background light selectable. Lastly, in terms of quality, the price that you are getting at this ad is impressive. Further, this is well built with excellent sound quality and reception. Moreover, it has a built-in flashlight too. Number 6. Baofeng UV5R UHF VHF dual band two-way radio walkie-talkie. This pack is everything that it promises. To start with, it's a decently long-range radio. If you have used other radios, then you will notice how this one is strictly stronger, more transparent and covers longer ranges. Since you have to program this device yourself, you can set them to match any frequency you wish. The stock antenna will get the job done for the most people, but if you are planning to use this in a crowd urban setup with a lot of interference, you can easily add an upgrade antenna. The 5R will support most of the mic and sound extension and can make any interface and brass noise more bearable. Number 7. Baofeng Walkie-Talkie UV5R5 5W dual band two-way ham radio receiver. The UV5R5 is a powerful Baofeng capable of transmitting 5 watts. The better handle body and updated software make it has more stable signals and clearer talking quality compares to old UV5R and other previous Baofeng series. All 3 frequency waves, namely FM, UHF and VHF, are available to use at suitable ranges. Like the other models of the UV5R series, this one also has similar attributes like 128 channels, 500 CTC-SS and 104 DCS codes, and 38 private codes. The 5W walkie-talkie is a sure winner in terms of the range it covers. It covers almost 2 to 3 miles in the city, 5 to 7 miles in low land where there isn't much interruption. And if you're in a high area, it will cover up to 25 miles even. The sturdy radio is exactly what you need when you go out into the wild, so you can depend on this. Number 8. 2-pack Baofeng UV5R 8W dual band two-way radio walkie-talkie. The Baofeng UV5R 8W is high power, low, medium, high tree section, TX power, 1W, 4W and 8W adjustable. On the basis of the original 1800 mAh battery, we additionally provide a 2x3800 mAh high capacity battery with a direct charging hole for easy charging, which makes the working time more durable. VHF 136 to 174 by UHF 400 to 520 MHz dual band radio, FM radio 65 by 108 MHz RX makes it compatible with many other two-way radio such as Baofeng UV 82 by UV, such as Baofeng other models. Dual display by dual standby auto keypad lock. In addition to the original Baofeng antenna, we also gave away a bend-freely 2x771 soft antenna to increase the communication distance and makes your conversation more smoother. Number 9. Baofeng BF888S Plus walkie-talkies, long-range two-way radio. Soaring up to sky just like the Nova. The frosted matte appearance is more cool and it is not easy to slip off when used. Simple operation as always for adult and amateurs by one button PTT talk. 16 pre-programmed channels ensure starting work after delivered. Hiking in a scheduled forest, the upgraded speaker provides a crystal clear sound for you to keep in close touch with your buddies, make the adventure more fun and easy. Up to standard 2W transmission power provides long range that meets the needs of the most people. School security teams, bicycle riding, fishing ground, etc. Number 10. Baofeng GT3TP Mark III two-way radio transceiver dual band power two-way radio. Upgraded version of GT3 with tri-power 8W, 4W, 1W. True 8W output power supports longer effective talking range. 23 cm high gain antenna allows GT3 Mark II to transmit in 8 km. It comes with a Sensonic car charger for charging on the way. It also comes with an upgraded antenna interface, radio frequency IC, frequency modulated receiver chip, power amplifier IC, etc. Frequency modulated receiver chip, the RDA5802N, has a powerful low IF digital audio processor. This makes it have optimum sound quality with varying reception conditions, high quality and professional setting with ANI code identification, omnidirectional rapid communication. This radio is waterproof so you can enjoy walking in the rain.